On July 26, 2021, the boundary dispute between Assam and Mizoram turned violent, and the exchange of fire between Assam police personnel with their Mizoram counterparts reportedly left 6, that is 5 Assam policemen and a civilian dead and over 50 injured. Behind the violent clashes lie 2 boundary demarcations from the British colonial era. Why does Mizoram accept one and not the other? And how did the 150-year-old dispute get so violent now? Here's all you need to know about it. The 165-kilometer Assam-Mizoram border dispute has its origin in the British era. There were 2 demarcations of the boundary. First, in 1875. Under the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation of 1873, the British separated the then Lushai Hills from the plains of Kachar in Assam to introduce the Inner Line Permit, that is, the ILP regime. An Indian citizen from outside the protected area needs the ILP to visit it. It was introduced in the northeast. In 1933, the British again conducted demarcations in the northeast, this time for separate districts based on culture, linguistic and tribal lines. This led to a new boundary which separated the Lushai Hills, Kachar and the former princely state of Manipur. As part of this trifurcation, some parts of Lushai Hills went to Manipur. In 1972, Mizoram was separated from Assam as a union territory on basis of the 1933 demarcation. The crux of the dispute is that Mizoram rejects the 1933 demarcation of districts, saying that Mizo tribal chiefs were not consulted then, while Assam backs the 1933 demarcation. When Mizoram gained statehood in 1987, Mizo tribal leaders raised the border dispute, claiming that Assam had taken away their land. Since then, the border has been a site of persistent clashes. In 2019, Assam and Mizoram agreed to maintain a status quo and have no man's land in the disputed area. However, clashes have continued. In October 2020, clashes left several injured on both sides and resulted in a 12-day blockade of National Highway 306, the lifeline of Mizoram. Similar violence took place on the border of Karimganj and Marmit districts. Assam also has border disputes with Nagaland, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh, the other states carved out of it. Nagaland and Arunachal border dispute cases are pending in the Supreme Court. Over 100 people have been killed, most of them on Assam side, in attacks by armed men from Nagaland in separate incidents in 1979, 1985 and 2014. Meanwhile, the Meghalaya government informed the State Assembly in 2020 that 56 incidents related to the border dispute with Assam have taken place since 2017.